Hello, today's tutorial is going to be on making banners in Photoshop and in Gimp. So to start off with, I'm in Gimp and I'm going to open that window I closed. So as you can see, I've got my square here. I'll just start again actually, just to show you what size it was. It's 500 by 200, you can make it whatever is appropriate to your website size. But that's appropriate to just a banner which you can just place on top of the website. So first of all, I will colour this a different colour from blue. I'll make it black. As you can see, it's now black. I want to create a new layer, and then I'm going to make this white, and I'm going to create half a circle with this rectangle tool. I'm going to create half a rectangle, like nearly half down it, and I'm going to select the bucket tool again, and I'm going to make it white. That may look stupid right now, but I'm just going to change the opacity right down. Well, still leave it a little bit up, and then hit select all. As you can see, it looks okay. It's not perfect, it's not in the center, but you can work on that. And then I'm going to select my text, and I'm just going to type in my logo. Not my logo, it's just the name of the company, which is TSUM, or Tactical Screw Up. The M is better than a dot, so I just put an M in it. Anyway, that's that in place, and the reason why I'm using Gimp for this one is so I can do this. On the same layer, I want to click the circle tool and click and drag halfway down the image, and since it's drawn, I'm going to make it blue. Half of the right in blue. Usually in Photoshop it would just dye the whole thing, it would do that, it wouldn't actually do the writing, but in Gimp you can actually dye the parts there. Be careful, it's better to zoom in here. And hit select all so you can have a look at it. I'm just going to merge all of them down, and that's the quick simple banner you can make in Gimp. It's not great, but if you want something simple, that'll do. Now I'm going to show you the one you can make in Photoshop. I'll close Rocket Dock because it gets in the way. So Photoshop's now opening, and I'm going to show you how to make the same shape, same size of banner, or the size you want it to be, but but it's different. So I'm going to double click that layer to unlock it, and I want the background to be blue here. So I want the blue on, or whatever colour you want it to be, and then to actually colour it you have to hit Control Backspace, and you can see it's coloured the whole layer. And then I want to hit Control Shift N for a new layer, or you can just go to Layer, New Layer, but I just done it with the quick keys. And I want to select my pen tool, still in this layer, and draw a little shape. And then I want to right click and hit Make Selection, and hit OK. And then you want to select the gradient tool, and you want it to be white to transparent, and then just simply click and drag. As you can see, I'll hit select all. It's made a nice little shape there, but that's a bit out there for me, so I'm going to change the transparency right down to 40, and hit select all again. Now as you can see, it's adding a nice little effect there, and I want to put my writing in TSUM, and you can shape it to where the curves are by going to Edit, Transform, Rotate. So you can do it for each letter, but I'm not going to do that just because it would take too long in the tutorial. And then you can add your logo in if you want. Mine's just a llama. I'm just going to hit enter first there. Oops. Drag that in. It's actually a bad idea having it blue because it won't come up as well. And I'll rotate that a little bit just to make it fit nicer, and hit enter. Now you might think that doesn't look too nice there, but I'll show you my full website that I've been working on, so I'll just close that, and that's the finished product. You just save it, and I'll show you the full website. Here it is here. As you can see, I have that effect up there with the llama and the fading out bit, and there's the rest of the site. So if that's the desired effect you want, just follow the tutorial, or if you want more styles of banners, send me a message, or if you didn't understand anything too well, send me a message as well. So thank you and bye.